The Minister of Small Business Development and Enterprise, Stella Ndabeni, and the Minister of Trade, Industry and Competition, Parks Tau, launched the Spaza Shop Support Fund, which is worth 500 million rand in Mafulo earlier today. Now, this fund was set aside strictly for South African entrepreneurs with registered Spaza shops, which aims to develop small businesses in townships and in rural areas, possibly creating employment opportunities in communities.
Kwethulwe ngokusemthethweni isikhwama esizoxhasa osomabhizinisi abancane ikakhulukazi abezitolo emalokishini nasemakhaya iSpaza Shop Support Fund esilinganiselwa kwizigidi ezingama500.
Our commitment in this fund is to support those that heeded the President's call. Those that listened when we talked to say there's a need for us to ensure that we provide food safety and everything, and therefore go and uzazise kuhulumende wako, and they jumped at that opportunity. Because we must reward people who care about their own country, not selfish individuals that only think about themselves.
Every Spaza shop supported by this fund is an engine for local growth. When these businesses thrive, they create ripple effects that boost surrounding sectors, be it suppliers, service providers, or local artisans. This fund is a catalyst for economic dynamism, injecting energy and resources where they are most needed.
Kusenjalo osomabhizinisi bathi lesi sikhwama sizobalekelela kakhulu ukuthuthukisa amabhizinisi abo.
Support is needed in terms of people need to be trained as well. Train in terms of financial management, stock management, in a lot of things. I think it needs to be a continuous sort of training and development that happens.
As business people, we are struggling, especially as South African and black business people, we are struggling because akukho easy ukuthola ama-funds, akukho easy even to source the infrastructure for our businesses. So this fund, it will help us a lot because we really need funds.
Lesi sikhwama kulindeleke sibhekelele abanezitolo phecelezi izibhazi emalokishini kanjalo nasezindaweni zasemakhaya ukufukula umnotho. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo.